YouTube, Chief Straw, come back at you again with another video. I just wanted to show you a few quick things with my paracord. Had some extra plywood after making my bench here. So I made a paracord jig. It's removable, goes all the way back to, I think it's 12 or 14 inches that I can make something. Right now I would set to 3 because I'm just got done making a keychain paracord. There's a little base on both sides. All you gotta do is unscrew this one, move it back. Yeah. Another little thing I was working on, these little pulls, paracord things. I had a bunch of extra paracord laying around. Been doing bracelets and stuff. And then right now I'm just replacing my zipper pulls on here. These. Yeah, just want to get this little update out of the way. My paracord zipper pulls. This one go over here. Quick back at you. Got the other one on. Get them out a little bit. There we go. Dust all in my bag. Then I'm gonna do this one. That's it for this real quick little video. It's been Chief Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out.